Today, the Buick GL8 Lu Zun PHEV Bafang Laicai edition was launched. This car is sold with optional kits. As long as it is a GL8 Lu Zun PHEV, no matter what configuration, you can choose this God of Wealth kit, and there will be no price increase. The Buick GL8 Lu Zun PHEV initially has 4 configurations, and the prices range from 359,900 to 419,900 yuan. This special series is limited to 888 units. In terms of appearance, the biggest change is that the roof is covered with a two-tone car cover, and the roof lines and sides of the car are covered with a gold car cover. Although it is a car cover, when you look closely, the finish quality is very good, there is no bending at the edges, and it looks like it was painted. The manufacturer said that this two-tone body design is made to add a sense of luxury, and the hood and roof are painted in noble champagne gold. The side lines and rim features are unchanged, but the champagne car cover extends to the lower edge of the window frame. This design gives people a visual sense that the car is longer. The body length times width times height dimensions are 5,219 by 1,878 by 1807 mm, and the wheelbase is 3,088 mm, which is quite suitable for domestic road conditions. At the rear of the car, there are smoked headlights and a sufficient amount of chrome plating, as well as champagne gold, which gives people enough festive atmosphere without adding too much explosiveness. This is a great test of design skills for designers. After all, there is usually a fine line between festive and explosive. In terms of interior, texture has always been the strong point of the GL8 series. In special edition models, we can still see the 6K curved screen. The curved screen is equipped with Golden Glow car wallpaper. In addition, the 256-color ambient lighting in the car has been set to an orange gold tone, which is more suitable for the tone of the car. As for the second row of seats, the car is equipped with 8 directions and Wealth feather-feeling seats. The headrests of the 2 independent seats are embroidered with the golden seal characters 8 directions and Laicai respectively. The seal characters are not copies of any master's font, but the designer has found his own inspiration. It is both elegant and festive, and more realistic than the previous Ovia embroidery. In addition, there are 2 pillows in the second row that lean back on the golden mountain. These 2 pillows are made of specially customized golden silk thread and Suzhou embroidery technology. The patterns on them represent towering green mountains and steep pines. The golden waterfall flowing down represents that the users have the support of a golden mountain, and their wealth is constantly flowing. In general, not only the appearance has been made many detailed adjustments, but the interior also reflects the festive atmosphere of the new year. Whether it is the golden top and blue clouds 2-color car cover or the all-way Wealth feather-feeling seats, they all give people a strong festive atmosphere and a sense of wealth. If you are considering buying a car that is both practical and prestigious, the GL8 Lu Zun PHEV Bafang Laicai edition is definitely a good choice.